Hi guys, so the focus of this video is coordinate geometry of the circle, and in particular I'm going to show you how to find the equation of the circle when you have been given 3 points on the circumference. Okay, this is just simultaneous equations, 3 unknowns. That's all, it's just algebra. Okay, equation of a circle. I'm going to use the general equation of a circle, x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2 fy plus c equals 0. Okay, I've been given 3 points. The question is find the equation of the circle which contains the points 2, 1, 0, 5 and minus 1, 2. Now, in my general equation of a circle, I've got 3 unknowns, g, f and c. To find 3 unknowns, we have to have 3 pieces of information, and we do. We've been given 3 points on that circle. And just like if we were given a point on a line or a point on any function, you sub it in. Okay, so I'm going to sub in each of these 3 points. First up, I've got 2, 1. So I'm subbing 2 in for x and 1 in for y. That's going to give me 2 squared plus 1 squared plus 2g by 1 plus 2g by 2 plus 2f by 1 plus c equals 0. And when I tidy this up, 2 squared is 4, 1 squared is 1, 2g by 2 is 4g, plus 2f plus c equals 0. And when I'm doing simultaneous equations, I like to always have my variables on the left-hand side of the equation and my constants over there on the right. So 4 plus 1 is 5, and when I subtract that from both sides, I get negative 5 over there on the right-hand side. This here now is my first equation in G, F and C. Okay, to get the next one, I'm going to sub in my next point. My next point being x is 0, y is 5. And I'm subbing it again into the general equation of a line. So I'll get, sorry, of a circle. So I will get 0 squared plus 5 squared, 2g by 0, 2f by 5, plus c equals 0. 0 squared is just 0, 5 squared is 25, 2g by 0 is 0. Get 10f plus c here. I love subbing in 0. Something nice always happens. My second equation here only has 2 unknowns. Okay, f and c, because that's 0. Eliminated my g for me, which is fab because it's already done some of my simultaneous equation work. And then my last point, x is minus 1, y is 2. So put it into your general equation of a circle again. Minus 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 2g by minus 1. 2f by 2, 2c equals 0. That's 1 plus 4 minus 2g plus 4f plus c equals 0. Minus 2g plus 4f plus c equals minus 5. Okay, that's that 5 there, and I just subtracted from both sides. And now I have my 1, 2, 3 equations to be able to solve my 3 unknowns. So when we're doing simultaneous equations with 3 unknowns, the first thing we always do is we decide which one variable we are going to eliminate from all 3. G has already been eliminated from 2 for us, so it makes the decision easy. I'm going to eliminate G from 1 and 2. And if you compare the G term in 1 and 2, okay, remember we want the number part the same and the signs different. This is 4G, this is minus 2G. So equation 1, I'm going to leave it exactly as it is. I'm not changing anything. 4G plus 2F plus C equals minus 5. Equation 2, however, okay, equation 2, I'm going to multiply it by 2. If I multiply the entire, equation 3. Equation 3, I'm multiplying by 2. If I multiply the entire equation 3 by 2, I will get minus 4g plus 8f plus 2c equals minus 10. When I add vertically here, my g's cancel. Yay! I get 10f plus 3c equals minus 15. Okay, and this now is my equation 4. Equation 4 is an equation in f and c. My equation 2 is also an equation in f and c, and if you compare 2 to 4, you will see that the f's will quite easily cancel there for me. All I have to do is take my equation 2 down here and multiply it by minus 1. I would get, so equation 2, all of equation 2 by minus 1 will give me minus 10f minus c equals positive 20. And when I add these guys vertically, my f's eliminate. I get 2c equals minus 15 plus 25 is 10, so c is 5. And I have the first of my 3 unknowns. Okay, I'm going to take that c equals 5, and I can sub it into either equation 4 or equation 2. I'm going to go for equation 2. Okay, you want to sub it into one of your equations that only has 2 unknowns. Okay, so I'm subbing c equals 5 into equation 2. That's 10f plus, I'm replacing c with 5 equals minus 25. So I get 10f equals minus 25 minus another 5 is minus 30. F equals minus 3. And then to find my last variable, I'm going to sub both of these. Okay, I'm going to sub my c equals 5 and my f equals minus 3 into one of my equations that has 3 unknowns. Okay, so either equation 1 or equation 3. I'm going to go for equation 1, I think. Okay, and that was a pure random choice. I don't think either of those will be less effort than the others, but it doesn't matter which you sub it into, you get the same result. Okay, so equation 1, I'm going to write it out again because I'm transferring from one page to the other as well, and I just want to make sure I don't do anything silly. So equation 1 is 4g plus 2f plus c equals minus 5, and I am replacing f with minus 3 and I'm replacing c with 5. Okay, I get 4g minus 6 plus 5 equals minus 5. So this is 4g minus 1 equals minus 5. 4g equals minus 4. G therefore is minus 1. And the very last piece of this now is to take your g, f and c and sub them into the equation of the circle. Okay, so equation of a circle, x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. X squared plus y squared. Our g is minus 1. Our f is minus 3. And our c is 5. Okay, and we always sub in brackets. When we tidy that up, we get x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 6y plus 5 equals 0. And that there is the equation of the circle that contains those 3 points. And that's it. It's just algebra.